I'm back and it's winter time. Weather has changed and temperatures have dropped again. Trying hard to fight a cold at the moment, flu, whatever you want to call it. But I just wanted to tune in and update you guys on what I have found. So I'm doing a different unboxing from Chaos Cards this time around. Yep, so I was actually looking for something else, and then as I was doing that, I found that they did have sale for, I don't think it's a Valentine's sale, a sale of sorts, and I actually found these Let's Go Eevee and Let's Go Pikachu theme decks. So they're actually pretty old and they were discounted because the boxes were damaged. Eevee actually doesn't look so bad, to be honest, but I guess the Pikachu one is very subtle anyway. You can see that there's some scuff marks here, so that's basically why they discounted it, but it's good because I can't say I got a steal. It was only like £1 off, but I like the idea. Sorry, I like the look of the promo cards, and like any good nerd, I did my research and I did see some previous unboxings, and it turns out that you actually get 2 promo cards that are the same in this pack, so that's great. And let me just unbox them now. Okay, so since it's the more damaged box of the 2, let's start with the Pikachu box. So I read that the theme is actually electric for this, for obvious reasons, but also has the theme here. And then I'll show you the one on the Eevee box, which of course won't be electric, so we will see what it is. So you've got this cute little You Are a Trainer pack. What is in here? Oh, okay. Right. So we've got the rules of playing the game. I've never actually looked at this before. Oh, okay. Quite a bit to see there. There we go. Might do some light reading later on, we'll see. An extra bit for the game. Your damage points and cards. And your special Pikachu coin. Okay. Sorry for the sniffles, but fighting the flu still. Okay, so there's our promo card. And our code card. And let's see what is in our box. So let's see what electric types we have in here and what we can add to the Master Collection. Okay, there you go. So you have another one of the holos. Yay! I got a Raikou. Do I have Raikou already? Oh no, I think I bought a Raikou card earlier. That's a bit annoying. Okay. Another Raikou. And these are actually holo as well. Super subtle, but they're still holos. Okay. Raichu, Alolan. A few energy cards. We have a Pidgey. Energy cards. Pidgey. Electivire. I think I've got Electivire already, but it's always good. Energy card. Great Ball. Blitzel. Voltorb. Oh. There we go. Voltorb. A very round, chonk, chibi looking Pikachu. It's actually really cute. And Electabuzz, so that matches our Electivire. Got a nice set here. We have Howl. And a Pidgeotto. Master Collection. I don't have any Pidgeottos, so thank God. And Electrode. So a set with Voltorb. Another Electabuzz, another Voltorb. Oh, Sabriska. And what are the new ones? Electivire. And that is everything. Okay, so that's it for the Pikachu. Sorry, the Let's Go Pikachu. So I've got, what can I add to my collection? Pidgeotto, can add that. Alolan Raichu, I hadn't seen one of those before, thank goodness. And our promo, Pikachu, and our Holo Raikou. Very nice. So now we're going to move on to the Let's Go Eevee, or Let's Play Eevee rather, theme deck. So the theme for this one is normal and fire type. So I remember seeing some videos of the, oh, wow, the struggle to open this, of the cards that you get here. So Raikou, I remember seeing that one in the video, but I actually kind of forgot that was one of them. So I feel that since the Eevee pack is normal and fire types, we should actually find Moltres in here. But other than that, I don't know what else I can find for the Master Collection, so we're going to have to wait and see. So, same stuffs as the other one. And it's an Eevee coin. So we have Eevee and Pikachu. Super cute. I love these. And they're in very good condition as well. Can't quite see it. Here we go. Okay, here's our Eevee promo and our code card. Okay, gonna be a bit of a shambles again. Another Eevee. And oh, that Moltres card is amazing. Look at that. So happy to get this Moltres card. Okay. Okay, that's a given, of course. Flareon. Charizard. Simicia. Kangaskhan. I think I've got Kangaskhan, but I don't remember what it looks like, so we'll see. Pansear. Charmander. So that can match the Charizard. That Eevee looks so cute. Professor Kukui. Howl again. Great Ball again. Sings those ones. Another Charizard. Gosh, these are all over the place. Oh, cool. So we've got Charmander, Charmeleon, and Charizard. Finally a set. Too bad they won't give you all the evolution. Cynthia, Lickitung. I've got Lickitung. More energy cards. Oh my goodness. A few energy cards. Charmander to go with our set. Pansear. Good. So that can go with Simicia. Oh my gosh. I'm messing this up. Kangaskhan. Howl. Energy card. Lickitung. Pansear. Simicia. Yes. Energy, Charmander, Energy, Charmeleon. And I think that was the last Poke card. Nope, last Poke card is Eevee. Okay. So I don't want to be biased because fire is my sign. what is my sign and my type. Don't be biased, but it's gonna happen. I think the Eevee pack was actually better than the Pikachu pack. And to be more biased, I think if I had to choose between Eevee and Pikachu, it's going to be Eevee, because Eevee is just so much cooler. Yeah, electric types are cool, but Eevee can also evolve into electric type as well as other ones. So Eevee has my vote. Stole my heart. The cute little fuzzy fox thing it is. Okay. So just to show again our Eevee card and that amazing Moltres. So that is without a doubt going in the Master Collection. Okay. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You can also follow me on social media, and I will put my handles in the description box below. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.